Hello everyone, this is Rashmi Soni here and I'm going to explain you about pencil strokes today. You can follow me on Instagram at artist_Rashmi Soni. Let's begin for the lesson. So first we will understand about the strokes. So you see, first we will make hatching. So this is called hatching. This is our first stroke. Basically in that stroke I am going back and forth like that. So the action that I'm doing here, that I'm basically giving a wash. So basically a filling the space is called a wash. So I'm giving a wash here and by using the technique of hatching. So this is called hatching. Now if you want to do a light to dark, what you have to do, you have to loosen your grip here. When you lose your grip here, then automatically here it will come light. So see, this is my first stroke. Suppose I am giving hatching here and then I want to give a light here, then what I will do, I'll just loosen my grip here. So when I lose here, see, automatically it is started coming light and little more light and very light. So see, I'm just holding a pencil very lightly, not putting any pressure on my grip. So that's how we can give a value in the same pencil. I'm using here dark pencil so that it can be visible nicely when I make the video. So this is called hatching. Now this is my first stroke. Now second stroke is also hatching, that is called throw hatching. So here see, in this hatching I am going back and forth, but here I am just going one side, I am not going back here. So this is called throw hatching. Okay, now after hatching, see, this is for lightening the thing. Now if you want to do dark, then what you will do, we will do cross hatching. So see, we will change the direction and then we will do again wash. So you can see now it is becoming more dark. So this is called cross hatching. Okay, now here for the throw hatching also you can do the cross hatching. See, so basically when we use this stroke, our edges here is very soft, it's not hard like this. So here you can see the gradation of edges there, but here when you make it light by using the same technique, by losing the grip here, then you cannot see any hard edge here and it will just come as smooth as it should be, no hard edge in the middle. Okay, and the third stroke is called contours. So see, for the contours it's like similar to throw hatching. Now what we have to do, we have to see, make our hand little more hard and basically for making the curvature and all. Now we can do the cross hatching over here also. So you can just change the direction and you can do the cross hatching here also. And this is called cross contouring. And again one more. So basically if you want to give any muscular for animal and all, animal sketching, for that sketch these strokes used a lot and it looks very beautiful. This is my third stroke. Now fourth stroke comes like when you make the circular motion like this, and here also we can go from dark to light. So here you just move ahead. Okay, and just make some more circular motion here, and then with that motion with that circles we can make it dark to light like this. Okay, one more. The fifth stroke is scribbling. I call it scribbling basically. So here I am making the circular motion. The here I am not making circular, instead I am making, see, angular, and these are very sharp sometime, and I am just moving my hand in all the direction. Basically I use this stroke for the trees and foliages. I'll show you later on in my in this video only, just after some time. And the sixth stroke, you can say, it can be your choice, any type strokes can be. If you want to give a texture, see, it can be anything you can choose. This is all up to you. Basically we have to fill our page, fill our space basically, and we have to see how it can come nicely. And basically when we give the stroke, our stroke has to be along with the flow of the object, so we have to remember that also. Okay, like this. So this is my sixth stroke. Now let's see how we can use these strokes. So we will do with the hatching. We'll start with the hatching. So I made an apple and I'm doing hatching, made a shadow, and to make it more dark I will do cross hatching, so it will be more dark, and make the terminator. Everything I'll make with the hatching only. So this is hatching. Now we will do the same object using the other stroke, that is contours. So you see I am making the contours, and for making it dark I did the cross contour. Even the shadow I made with the cross contour. I make the terminator a little more dark so that it will look 3D. And see all the strokes I am doing with the contours. We'll make one more apple with the throw hatching. See, here I am just throwing from up and down. Why I chose one object only, so that it will get clear easily and nicely that how we can get our tones correctly using any strokes. So stroke doesn't matter, only light and shade concepts if you keep in your painting nicely, your drawing will look perfect. So here I am again using apple only for showing that circle object. So see, with the circle I did the shading of this apple. So now this is contour, this is throw hatching, and this is circles. Okay, now the scribbling stroke is remaining, and the your choice stroke. So see, for this scribbling I'm making tree, because apple will not look good with this scribbling and angular spiky strokes. So to show the leafy effect of the tree, this stroke is better. So I made the tree. Before making tree I just give a wash with the hatching, and then I did the everything, all the strokes with the scribbling method. Now here the house, I'm just completing the composition to show the other stroke. So see, I showed you the other your choice stroke, that is all, I mean horizontal, vertical and diagonal lines. So you can make a roof. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to keep the bell icon on so that you will get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you friends.